Children, in the previous lecture, we discussed properties of whole numbers for addition. I hope all of you remember those properties. Now let us do some questions based on those properties. Now first question is find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So children, let's rearrange the numbers to simplify the addition. If you look at the first number, its ones and tens place is 1 and that of the third number is 99. So 1 plus 99 is 100. So I will group these two numbers. Now look at the second number, its ones and tens place is 68 and that of the fourth number is 32. So 68 plus 32 is 100. So I will group these two numbers. Now let's rearrange the number and find the sum. So here we have 4001 plus 2999. I write these two numbers in the bracket to show that it is considered as 1 unit. Plus, again I write the two numbers in brackets. So 3768 plus 1232. On solving first bracket, I get 7000 and on solving second bracket, I get 5000. So 7000 plus 5000 is equals to 12,000. Now which property I am using here? I am using associative property. Now associative property states that we can rearrange the numbers and still we can arrive at the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Add and check by reversing the order of addends. Here 325 and 4964 are the two addends. So first let us add them in the given order. So 325 plus 4964. So I get 5289. Now I have to check by reversing the order of addends that whether I get the same result or not. So let's reverse the addends. So 4964 plus 325. Now let's add them in this order now. Now if we add, we get 5289, which is same as the previous result. So 325 plus 4964 is equals to 4964 plus 325. Now this is commutative property. Commutative property states that we can add two whole numbers in any order and still we get the same result. Now let us discuss properties of whole numbers for subtraction. Now first property is closure property. Here I have taken two whole numbers 37 and 6. Now 37 minus 6 is 31, which is a whole number. Now in second case I have taken 5 and 32. Now 5 minus 32 is minus 27, which is not a whole number. So if we subtract two whole numbers, it may or may not be a whole number. So we say that whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. So not closed. Now second property is commutative property. Here I have taken two whole numbers 75 and 67. Now 75 minus 67 is 8. Now if I reverse the order, it is 67 minus 75, which is equals to minus 8. Now 8 is not equals to minus 8. So whole numbers are not commutative under subtraction. So we write here not commutative. Now third property is associative property and here we have taken three whole numbers. Now I have written 7 minus 6 in one bracket. So 18 minus 1, which is equals to 17. And here 18 minus 7 I have written in the bracket. So 18 minus 7 is 11. So 11 minus 6 is equals to 5. So again you can see 17 is not equals to 5. So when we rearrange the numbers, we are not getting the same result. So we say that whole numbers are not associative under subtraction. So not associative. Now fourth property is very important. It is if A minus B is equals to C, then B plus C is equals to A. This is the corresponding addition to the subtraction. So here I have taken one example. Now we know 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. Now if I add 3 and 4, I get 7. So if A minus B is equals to C, then if we add B and C, we get A. Now let us move to our next question. Now next question is subtract and check the result by corresponding addition. So here we will be using the fourth property. Now first I write the number 1,10,000 and I subtract 46,985. So I get here 53,025. Now I have to check the result by corresponding addition. So I will add 46,985 and 53,025. And what should I get? 1,10,000. So let us add and check. So 46,985 plus 53,025. So if I add, I am getting 1,10,000. Hence checked. Now next question is what must be added to 84,76,251 to get the sum as the greatest number of 7 digits. Now first we will write the greatest number of 7 digits, which is 99,99,999. Now the required number is the difference of the greatest 7-digit number and the given number. So I write given number here 84,76,251. And to get the required number, I will subtract these two numbers. So I get here, I hope everybody knows how to subtract. So I get 15,23,748. Now next question is the digits 4 and 7 of the number 5,43,728 are interchanged. Find their difference. Now here the word interchange is very important. Interchange means in place of 4 I have to write 7 and in place of 7 I have to write 4. So let us write the new number by interchanging these two digits. So I get 5,73,428 and the original number is 5,43,728. So let us subtract. So on subtraction we get 29,700. Now let's move to our next question. In this question, we are given population of a town which is 60,000 and the number of men are 32,457 and number of women 13,296 and we have to find out the number of children. Now population here means people of the town. So in the picture you can see we have men, women and children. So to find out the number of children, we have to add number of men and women and then from 60,000 we have to subtract. So let us do this question. So first we write men 32,457 and women 13,296. And now let us add these two. So we get 45,753. Now from the population, we have to subtract number of men and women together. So 60,000 minus 45,753 gives us the number of children. So on subtracting, we get 14,247. So these are the number of children. So number of children 14,247. Children, you will be getting worksheet based on this lecture. Thank you.